Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Tally Prime on macOS 13 Ventura. First of all, we will download Crossover Mac. Open Safari web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar, download Crossover Mac. Crossover. Click Crossover for Mac. Click on second link, download Crossover trial. It is redirect the downloading page. Let's drop down little bit. Click on Download Crossover Mac. Click Allow. Crossover Mac is downloading. Crossover is 399.5 megabyte package. It will take some time, it's depend on your internet speed. Crossover is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, our downloaded Crossover package. Right-click and open. Let's close Downloads console. Verifying Crossover. Click Open. Click Move to Application folder. Crossover Mac is provide 14 days trial by default. If you want to buy the software, you can click for buy. In this demo lab I am going to select try now. Type Tally Prime in search bar. Click on Tally Prime. Click OK. Click Install. Click on Cancel. Install application, click Install. Click OK. Click Start Tally Prime. Let's close Crossover. Click Accept. Welcome to Tally Prime. If you want try Tally educational mode, click try for free. Use license from network, you have a Tally server, then click on it. Reactivate existing license. If you want to reactivate Tally license, you should have valid Tally.net ID and password. Activate new license. You want to activate Tally license, then you have Tally serial key. I am going to click Tally free for educational mode. Here it is, our Tally console. Let's close Tally Prime. Click yes. Click Launchpad. Here it is, our Tally Prime. Click on it. Click Continue in educational mode. Let's close Tally Prime. Click yes. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Tally Prime on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.